Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Josh, and today we have a mystery bag Monday. So we're going to get right into it. If you're unfamiliar with this series, we buy these rag bags from local thrift stores that are meant typically to be sold to mechanic shops and stuff to soak up oil, and then they just get thrown away or burned or something. But we go and rescue and search them for vintage t-shirts. I have two bags today. We've been doing a lot of rag bag t-shirts. They've been having rag bag videos, excuse me, because they've been having a lot of rag bags more recently. What the? I took a DNA test and God is my father. Veterans are my brothers. Oh, that's cool. It's not vintage, but cool message. Alright, but anyway, we've been doing a lot of them. They've been having a lot of them, and because of, you know, wedding and different schedules, we've not been able to be like on the like super consistent with our normal schedule of videos, but that should be sorting itself out very soon. I've got another brand week coming up. This is single stitch, but this is like an Abercrombie or Arizona. See, not single stitch, but not actually like vintage. I see something in there. Looks like a Planet Hollywood. Let's see what it is. We got a Planet Hollywood Orlando. Oh, that's pretty dope. It is not single stitch, but I do believe it is. Yeah, this is late 90s. Super dope, actually. Super sick. That's a good start. Good start to the rag bags. Got a little bit of vintage heat in there. Let's see if we can find some more. But yeah, I think we're gonna do. We've got another brand week coming up. You'll find out which brand very soon. I will say it is not Champion. I know that people have been asking for Champion. What do we got here? We got like no, because people have been asking for Champion. I'm working on Champion. Working on a Champion week. Champion. I want to make sure that I have all my facts straight and that I can create, you know, pretty decent content. I give you good information. Wow. Okay. This is Kennesaw Barbecue House. We serve no swine before it's time. Wow, interesting. I think that's actually on a vintage tag, so we will hold on to that. Not sure that it's. Oh, we got another one. Same thing, but in blue. This is probably an earlier 2000s. Yeah, tee. Not terribly old, but it's, I think technically probably either vintage or real close. The rag bags have been treating us really, really well lately, so happy to see that. We've been. I don't think there's anything in it, any of these bags that have been like in the last probably 5 bags that have been ultra crushers, but but real consistently good, high quality. We have a vintage for the loom, heavy. This is actually a ridiculously dope tee. I actually love this. I don't know if it's homemade or not, but it's single stitch. This is sick. Look at that. I mean, it kind of gives you like, it's got a little hit on the back. Kind of gives you like Nirvana heart-shaped box vibes a little bit. That might say the personal. That's one of the coolest like colorways of just a plain Jane. That's super dope. Gosh, that's what you find in these. Oh yeah. Okay, so at this thrift store, I've been finding some. You saw a King Kong T-shirt. Well, look at this. Indiana Jones and the Kingdom of the Crystal Skull. This is 2007 ringer on the triple, the all-style apparel and activewear tee. Oh, this is good stuff right here. Good stuff. All right. Man, I wonder how many more. Like, I grabbed a bunch. So, like, man, there could be more. Very exciting. Posy Patch Incorporated. I don't know what that is. Oh, it could be. We could be in for a treat here. If one of these bags has even more of those. I mean, I think I got like 8 or 9, so I think I got most of them. But you never know. That's a really cool tee. Not a great movie. The movie kind of sucked, but getting the tee, the Indiana Jones tee, and these movie promo tees are dope, and people seem to still love them. Definitely on the lookout. We got a nope. Nope. Let's see what else we got. We got some tie-dye, local. Nope. All right, almost done with this first bag. See if we have any more movie promo tees left over here. Oh, we got. I think we just pulled this in another rag bag, but in the smaller size, and then Mike will be very happy. I think his wife has the same t-shirt now, and that is probably his size right there, so they can be Pikachu pals. Nothing. Last couple ones here. Nothing. And nothing. And nothing. All right. So that first bag was good. We got one more bag right here. Who knows? Holiday Inn Express. No. Nope. You know, that's color does not typically mean vintage. What we got here? Summer School Glenwood, Summer School Coach T from 2006. Older. Not quite vintage, but older. Nope. Nope. Alright, come on now. Come on now. Let's see. What up? Nope, nope. Man, every time I see like a white or like a black tee in these bags, I'm feeling like I'm gonna pull out a I mean, like a Dark Knight tee would be cool, promo tee. But vintage. Not single stitch, but vintage. We got some towels, you know, actually a lot of towels, not good. That is not a good sign. You know that only on rare occasions do we make money on rag bag towels from these rag bags. Yeah, man. All right. What's this? I saw this from the outside. We got like an all over print. Oh yeah. Okay, we got a vintage. These are pretty cool tees. This is a good tee. Limited single stitch. It is single stitch. It's an all over South Carolina. It's got the big old map. Yeah, so these tees are pretty dope. Yeah, South Carolina. That's cool. We're good. All right. We can. I mean, if that's all we end up with, like, that's still pretty cool. But they're old, so maybe that means there's a few more old tees in here. Oh! We have a giant tag. Small size. It's a bit newer. It's not super new giant, but it's newer giant. Does anyone know what that is? Is it a band? Is it an album? Or is it just a tee? I don't know. But cool. Older giant tag. Like early 2000s giant, not 90s. But still. But I don't know. Let me know. Does that graphic ring a bell for anybody? Does anyone recognize that graphic? I know Giant does a lot of stuff. Oh, we got a Metallica tee, just not vintage Metallica. Would be nice, but no, not today. What we got here? Nope. Oh, that's kind of cool. Is it vintage? It's not vintage, but it's kind of cool. Nope. More towels, more towels, more towels. We got a few more tees here. This one looks older right here. Well, and that's another one of those Field and Stream t-shirts. We got here. We have some more towels. Looks like that Indiana Jones tee might have been the only movie promo tee left, but it's still cool. I'm glad we found it. Definitely glad we found it. 15th annual. All right, coming up on the end here, we got some new Chargers, new Broncos tee. Nope. Almost done. Come on. One more. Just give me one more. Oh, wait, what's this? Looks like a new... Alright, well... I think this actually is the movie promo tee. It is the Twilight promo tee. Okay, I can live with that. Like, we have another one, but I think this is definitely the better one of the two. But I do think this one might be the better one, the earlier one. We have the one that's like New Eclipse or the Eclipse one. Alright, can't complain. Can't complain. Alright, that's it. That was the last tee, everybody. That was a great great find. We got a handful of vintage tees. Got some older movie promo tees, so definitely stoked. Happy for that. Please remember, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe if you like content like this that surrounds all about vintage, all about thrifting and reselling. We'd love to have you. So join the crew. We'll see you guys later. Peace.